Good morning, EYFS, children of Grange from nursery and reception, Marcus Rashford class, Olada Quino class, Bob Marley class, Sojourner Truth class. I'm giving you a CC Grange salute. We know who we are. We are people of Grange, and today I'm arriving at school and look what I can see. You know what my office looks like because I've done an assembly before for you. Sorry, and I should have introduced myself again. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, the head teacher of Grange. I'm so blessed and honored to be with all of you. You know what my office looks like, but look what I am arriving to. Goodness me. There are massive balloons everywhere. And it says Santa's house. Goodness me. So I'm going to follow this arrow. I'm going to go inside. And oh my goodness, it looks like Santa is moving into my office. Oh my goodness, there's even a polar bear. Oh my goodness, and this looks like somewhere where Santa's going to sit. Looks like the elves have been busy the whole night. Well, everybody, I can't wait for you to come and visit the grotto at Grange. And next week, that's exactly what you're going to do. Anyway, I'm back into my office. Let me check who were the gold stars of the week. I'm just reading this out. In fact, let's take it back to the grotto and just let's find out. Yes, in Bob Marley class, I have got Xander and Yoaz and Rebecca A as the wonderful gold stars of class champions. And in Sojourner Truth, I've got Summer and Jinan and Emmanuel as the class champions. And let me see if I can find the gold star people. Let me put, there we go. Gold star people. Let's see. Yoaz, you are a gold star Grange champion from this last week. Xander, you're a gold star Grange champion. Summer, you're a gold star Grange champion. David, you are a gold star champion. So, what I'm going to say, everybody, let me move into this grotto over here before Santa comes. What I'm going to say to you all is a great Grange CC salute. I'm going to say Merry Christmas. I'm going to say Happy New Year. I'm going to say children of Grange, we can't wait to come and visit the Grange grotto, say hello to Santa, get a present next week, because we are confident children and we are considerate children. We are people of Grange, and we say be great, be Grange.